Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now this happens to be the holy grail of budget, high-end or mid-end devices for Xiaomi. From the time I got this device, I really thought that this would really attract a lot of developer attention, something like the Snapdragon 625 powered Note 4 and the Note 5 did. But that didn't really happen, and now we are at a period in time wherein things are catching up and official ROMs are rolling out. But what we are going to look at today is an update which is not officially out, but we have access to the download link, and there is a very easy way to go ahead and install it. We are talking about the latest update, which is based on Android 8.1 Oreo, and that is for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. And what is good is that you don't need to have an unlocked bootloader, you don't need to have root, TWRP, anything. It just works out of the box. So let's go ahead and have a look at that particular process, and we'll quickly have a look at the ROM to see if there are any visible changes which should make your device better. Now before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. At the same time, if you like bikes and motorbiking is your thing, here's a card to my second channel. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's begin. Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again, and today we are going to talk about a very short video in which I will show you how to install the official Android 8.1 update for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now this update might be rolled out to a lot of other people as an OTA update in the coming days. I don't really know why Xiaomi hasn't already released it as an official build for everyone, but nonetheless, as I said in the intro, you don't need to have an unlocked bootloader, you don't need to have any kind of root or any flashing or anything of that sort. Doesn't need to be done. Now first things first, usual set of disclaimers. You need to have at least more than 50% battery to make sure you have a safe flash. Backup all your data. Now by no means this update will erase any of your data, but it's always a good idea to back up all your data so that in case there is anything that goes wrong, you don't lose your valuable information. At the same time, there is a download link mentioned here. You need to download that file and you need to keep it in the root of your phone. That means you need to keep it in the root of your internal memory. Make sure it is not in a particular folder. Now to begin with, let's quickly go to settings and then about phone, and you will notice that this particular Note 5 Pro is running MIUI 9.2 stable, and the particular update is 9.2.13. So what we're going to do next is we will go back and let's go to about phone and system updates. As you can see, it will say that no updates are available, which is completely fine. What we're going to do next is press these three dots here at the top and then select choose update package and then select the file manager, allow for permission, and then select internal storage. Now if you scroll all the way to the bottom, if you've kept it properly in the root, you will see this particular file. Now this update particularly is 9.5.13, which is based on Android 8.1, which is reminiscent of the name that is displayed on the screen right now. So let's go ahead and select this file and hit OK. Now at this particular point, remember that you are at least connected to Wi-Fi or some sort of internet connection, because it will be verifying the package with the Xiaomi servers to make sure that it is not a closed beta ROM that not everyone is allowed to flash. And the moment you see this particular decrypting message, now what this will mean is that the phone has accepted this as a valid file to which it can update, and then it will decrypt the file and it will ask you to reboot. Alright, so your device will reboot automatically to the new version, so select reboot and update. Now this process should take roughly between 5 to 10 minutes, so if it takes that long, don't really panic. Now I do have a couple of question marks when it comes to this particular update. 8.1 precisely brings Project Treble to a lot of devices. Now my OnePlus 6 is rocking Project Treble, which reduces issues like these or steps like these wherein the phone would reboot and then it would stay off while the update is being installed. With Project Rebel, as you know, it will install the update while you're using the phone and it will just ask you to reboot to another partition. So I am hoping that they will give us Project Rebel with 8.1. And the second thing that I really would like to know here is dual voice over LTE is working on it. Now I just have one SIM card over here, but I should mention that, I will go ahead and mention that in the description after finding out if dual voice over LTE is working or not. So as I said, it will take at least 5 minutes for the update to be installed, but for us it just takes 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Alright guys, so the update is now complete. The phone has booted up and we are on the home screen. Now from the first look you will notice that there's not much that has changed and it all looks the same more or less. But then again, all the Android 8.1 features are not really present in this version of MIUI. Let me just go ahead and quickly reduce the brightness for you guys. There you go. So yeah, as always it says MIUI updated successfully, and if we go to about phone, the MIUI version now says MIUI 9.5.13 and the Android security patch level is that of May, and the Android version itself is 8.1 Oreo, and here we have the Easter egg of Android 8.1 Oreo. And let's quickly see if we can go ahead and find Mr. Octopus, and there he is. So there you have it guys. This was a very quick video. Now I'll be doing a thorough on feature video about MIUI 9, which is based on Android 8.1 for the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but this was a quick install and first look. There's not much that I would like to cover because a full review of this particular ROM is coming really soon. So this is how you install Android 8.1 officially on a locked bootloader on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. If you like this video guys, like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. For now, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Goodbye and take care.
Oh,